Atharvaveda Brahmanas, the bridge between rituals and practical wisdom. Abstract. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas, an integral part of Vedic literature, provide unique insights into the rituals, magical practices, and practical wisdom embedded in the Atharvaveda. This article explores the distinctive attributes, themes, structure, and contributions of the Atharvaveda Brahmanas. By delving into these texts, we uncover the practical aspects and mystical dimensions that characterize Vedic thought. Introduction. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas occupy a crucial place within the Vedic tradition, offering a window into the ritualistic practices, healing methodologies, and practical life wisdom associated with the Atharvaveda. These texts serve as a bridge between the sacred hymns of the Atharvaveda and the pragmatic concerns of everyday life. Distinct characteristics. The term Brahmana conveys the priestly role and the knowledge of rituals. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas stand out with their prose style and their focus on practical aspects. They encompass rituals, healing practices, charms, and incantations intended for various life situations. Notable among these texts is the Gopatha Brahmana. Themes and structure. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas revolve around the rituals and practices described in the Atharvaveda. These texts offer guidance on rituals for protection, healing, prosperity, and other practical concerns. The structure often mirrors the sequence of rituals, providing a roadmap for priests to navigate through the intricacies of Atharvavedic practices. Practical wisdom and mysticism. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas blend practical wisdom with mystical insights. These texts recognize the interconnectedness of the physical and spiritual realms, proposing that healing and protection extend beyond the visible world. They emphasize the power of mantras, rituals, and charms in influencing both material and metaphysical aspects of life. Rituals for daily life. Unlike other Brahmanas that often focus on elaborate rituals, the Atharvaveda Brahmanas address practical concerns that affect daily life. These texts provide rituals and invocations for various situations, including childbirth, illness, agriculture, and protection from negative influences. They reflect the Vedic understanding that spirituality is not confined to temples but permeates all aspects of existence. Contributions and legacy. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas contribute to the preservation of the practical and mystical aspects of the Atharvaveda. They offer insights into the diverse needs of society, addressing both the spiritual and practical dimensions of life. While often overshadowed by other Vedic texts, these Brahmanas highlight the holistic approach of the Vedic tradition. Relevance today. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas offer a relevant perspective in the modern world where people seek practical solutions to various challenges. Their emphasis on the interplay between physical and metaphysical realms and the utilization of mantras and rituals for healing and protection resonates with those exploring holistic approaches to well-being. Conclusion. The Atharvaveda Brahmanas illuminate the intricate interplay between practical concerns and mystical insights within Vedic thought. Through their practical wisdom, invocations, and ritual guidance, these texts demonstrate the all-encompassing nature of Vedic spirituality. They serve as a reminder that Vedic wisdom, as embodied in the Atharvaveda Brahmanas, is a versatile tool that offers guidance for both the mundane and the mystical aspects of human existence.